Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cook some lentil soup. We will need 2 cups of lentil, 2 cups of fresh tomatoes, or you can use canned tomatoes, 2 celery stalks chopped, 2 cups chopped carrots, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon coriander seed or coriander powder, some bay leaf, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, chicken broth, any kind, you can use store-bought or homemade, and finally salt and pepper for seasoning. Let's go, let's cook. We are going to saute garlic and onions for about 2 minutes until it's translucent and it's fragrant. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in the carrots and celery, and we are going to saute them for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients: the tomatoes, lentils, coriander seeds or powder, bay leaves, about 1 or 2 bay leaves, and then the paprika. And then we are gonna put our chicken broth. We are going to season our lentil soup at the end. We're gonna add some water, depends how much water you want on your soup. As we are cooking the soup, we should remove all the scum on top of it. We are going to simmer our lentil soup for 30 minutes or until our lentils have softened. Don't forget to add more water as you are cooking your soup. After 30 minutes, your soup will look like this, and we are going to season it with salt and pepper. You can always adjust seasoning according to your taste. There you have it, our lentil soup. I hope you like it. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bon appetit!